Why choose plant-based meal prep?
Plant-based meal prep can boost your energy and improve overall wellness. By centering meals around vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you fuel your body with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This helps maintain stable energy levels, reduces sluggishness, and supports better digestion. Preparing meals in advance makes it easy to stay consistent, even on busy days.
Essential ingredients for energy.
For sustained vitality, reach for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats, which release energy slowly. Add colorful vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes for antioxidants. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas offer plant protein and iron. Include healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds to support brain function and absorb vital nutrients.
Smart meal prep strategies.
Start by planning your meals for the week and creating a shopping list. Batch cook grains and beans, chop fresh veggies ahead of time, and make sauces or toppings in advance. Store ready-to-eat meals and snacks in airtight containers. This organized approach helps you avoid unhealthy options when life gets busy and ensures that energizing food is always within reach.
Balancing meals for sustained energy.
Each meal should include a balance of complex carbohydrates, lean plant proteins, and healthy fats. For breakfast, try overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. For lunch and dinner, pair quinoa or brown rice with roasted vegetables, beans, and a tahini dressing. Adding snacks like trail mix or hummus with veggies keeps your energy steady throughout the day.
Supporting well-being beyond food.
Quality sleep, regular physical activity, and hydration all play important roles in maintaining energy. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep and drink water throughout the day. Even short walks or light stretching can complement your plant-based meals and further promote vitality. Integrating these habits with meal prep creates a positive, energizing routine.